Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, October 23rd, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now on to today's headlines. Pfizer, the pharmaceutical giant, announced a major reduction in force last week in a video with employees, though the number of staff impacted is still unknown. The company stated that their projected revenue for 2023 will be between 58B and 61B, down from original projections of 61B to 70B. The dip in sales is largely attributed to a reduction in the number of COVID-19 vaccines and COVID treatments that are being administered. To make up for this revenue loss, Pfizer is trying to cut 3.55B in jobs and expenses, most of which will be severance costs. With that large a number, expect the reduction in force to be truly massive. Visual Arts, a support studio for PlayStation, owned by Sony, was hit by another round of layoffs last week. It's unknown how many employees were impacted at this stage, as there has been no formal announcement, just former staff posting about their departures on LinkedIn. So far, there have been a handful of posts, with staff in positions ranging from senior designers, technical recruiters, and rigging artists. This was the second layoff at Visual Arts this year, as they had another reduction in force back in May. Finally, Marsden Building Maintenance, a cleaning firm based in St. Paul, Minnesota, will lay off at least 219 workers after losing a contract with Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport. The staff worked in Terminal 1 and range in positions from maintenance to administrative roles and account management. After a round of RFPs, the board of the Metropolitan Airports Commission selected Flagship Airport Services as its new facilities cleaner. However, the board has adopted a worker retention strategy, so while the employees at Marsden might leave the company, hopefully many of them will shortly get picked up to continue working at the airport.